express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude?
For all the many things,
you
Father, you done for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
Lord, you're my everything.
See, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
Lord, you're my everything.
I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are. You are.
You're my everything.
Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Oh, uya matinyina. Yeah, so uya.
Moya matinina. Moya matinina.
Yeah.
Moya matinina.
Oh, uya matinyina. Say, I call you Jireh, say.
I call you
Yeah.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right.
Highly spiritual.
Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life. Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life. Enti, miji wujo mire, miji wudi sa oya jenina sutumfo, odumfo ni mobrohufo, obucherifo adoya donso. Nyami be, nyami ba, unye ni panyen sechin sayem. Mimfa ma distrem ma wenim, ma wuni mi ramoda. Hey, miji wujo erate, miji wudi ajenina sutumfo. All power belongs to you. My body efu I want your breath way. Answer by fire. This prayer. Unye ni panyen sechin sayamenti. Mimfa ma distrem ma wenim, ma wuni mi ramota. Every say why ebido, nyame, why ebido nyame. Udini ayebiafo, nyame, udini ayebiafo nyame. Enti erate ya watye nibyo, Yesu ya watye nibyo, erate ya watye nibyo, Yesu ya watye nibyo. Nyame be, nyame ba, unye ni panyen sechin sayem. Mimfa ma distrem ma wenim, ma wuni mi ramoda. Endi erade ya watye nibyo, Yesu ya watye nibyo.
Yeah, busia me da CP se ebrimu wanya daje na afi wajibre se woni yen ebetena ebra yede the community and the law ade brewo ye frem obreku frimpon ene memenda awie memenda toso mienu miensa ewo bosome enkrim nkanesa ena yenya ekwan ahia se ye ne wo ade dwumadi ebehihye so nyame adom ye wo enkwa ye wo ahoden ye nteboni bia enti ye hye de na mekamfo ama se fre ododo na se ye hia live ewo BWF Solicitors Facebook page. You share live ewo BWF Solicitors YouTube page. And I feel live or Abawa Radio so sounds so any live ewo PAM TV so ewo you can. Na de bra wono and then common de pa me baby bisa. You say Penifo ta ka so kwa wade abisa na ukona abisa na kwa ware pa na wani gi na ho ato no eden na won kranta sem ne wa tetenemu ubetimi ade aye. The community and the law up next.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na busuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu enuntin ye to ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors die ye immigration team no avedare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa no nkrompa mu ekosi enumre nunsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bi a otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law.
Yeah, we see CP yako na afi yakoto yankra naba eno eche wo say BWF solicitors ena ye no won AD adwumai BWF solicitors lawyer for adwumaku a wo boye ma yete emra ene ho chechemu ase wo immigration issue bia wo bibia wo say lawyer for ebamu ana say yen chechere Ghana mra ene UK mra ase BWF solicitors ena wo de wo ho bowon wo adwuma Monday to Friday if you anopa 9:30 ekosi anwumere 6 o'clock. Was Seven Sisters on top of the Seven Sisters tube station, the 4th floor of the Ghana House. Offer one ebuke appointment numbers no a very simple and straightforward 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and also 077 127 61884 077 127-61884. Abusia say waba me wakwa aba ene minia penny ye lawyer Patrick ena ewaha na yeba ede enkomo a ede pa ehwam na afi akono na eba be hyehyɛ so ede amawo na megidi ye sɛ be se na wotwe mienu miensani mo ehwam ya na mo humi ho me ho na wo sem tiam na achi na afi yekobere ye ho kakra la Patrick men kan say 2-3 weeks there meeting am official pabio
and I've been coming to it, yes, I've been coming to it.
Let's to say
Cheboko nyame adom ya so a training no ko ye
right
it is a training no ko ye sa no there na che say bibia so kokama
that me yes
you know wadaro
why dey any problem I was there for Patrick ha ene oba be boyen ma ya chechre enemanum na we the answer cry na mekoso no benefo bo baby se ukwa awade a bisa awade senia yesi ennim no yese ya engagement ene yese ya wedding yese yako ye ehunanimu yese yakobo kokoko yese ya ho ade ene wadaruma me pese wo bibi sa ne mani nyina so ade ama na me wi a na wakyere me mremu de metimi de ma wade aye
right so baby a wo keka kono de se me hye mi olu uche no so me share olu uche no na me step into abusuan pani
that's right
you know moment you know yes sa territory no name say
ya den common be fa you enti abusuan say wo ye nchen a bomodin ase ye ka ho ensem ani ade no wo betimi ene yen atena frɛ obi bra say BWF solicitors jumedi a watu din the community and the law wa share ase na wo saka link no so bomodin ase wo be share ama obi ensa akabi na akoyie pa na hima wa ba medas na bafo wo ha na kosia somu awusu na kosia ene ukunu dofo aja usu edi na woda happy birthday to you uncle I don't hope say wajai football no but they say obakof so na wanya hoden e de ahwemi nua na me wo fa asefo no e de amame sanso so e na mo amohwe won PMTV e da mo ase about radio for so mo amo so no e da mo ase enche ye betete hantaba mu na fe e de other platforms no e de aba ansa na no ma me fa aseda kese e ma menua ba na mayete se metia me na echi no wotena mu na fe hwe ma adwumedi no ko fe kama pa eno nti mo ma fa aseda emano na me bai ai na me hwe ye ka waresemi na woche no ahyase no ye BWF solicitors penifo ema ye hunu se awade ye wo mu nsonsonye ene ade ene de UK aban titiri ye wo ha no woje etumo eno nti wode bibi to ho ede mayen na eno na ye ba be kotina afi lo Patrick Wadarma obechiri mu kakra bi ede amayen na afi ye de ye nkomo no ahyehye so na me ka kiro se ye quiz no so wa hwea na ebenam senia we sie kro no nti se ye ka bibi a hye no so na ye quiz no watimi ede nkonim me kwa ye me de achede aba nti hwemenim me ba me chewade na ye ka bibi limping marriage e ye dean obrani be ka se anasa senia emramu esitie na afi e high court 2021 year botwe ene briefer manso twen bi na afi olafi soye number 2 recognition and no ye 2010 case a year by now was say it is a situation where the English court would not recognize an overseas divorce. Although the parties were legally divorced in another country, they remained legally married under English law because they did not meet the requirements of the Family Law Act of 1986. The recognition or non-recognition of divorce can affect matters as diverse as inheritance, nationality, immigration status, and the freedom to marry. Bia na wakona nyi na wo se emramu uguno ye ware wo Ghana ye sane wo AMA ye sane wo KMA ene ho enhyehyɛ so no se ne city na nso so ode ba UK ha abaya wa ha se da bi yentime nyentuma ne ye mukogu no Ghana monye mo Ghana sem ne ade saa ene na ye kɔ sen ene na ma mimi se ede nti na obrani anase UK abaya ebe kase bibi eye limping marriage na ade nti na saa nhyehyɛ no wonye entum la Patrick Wadarma mobrofo di bidie enti chami tu me na me hie senia eno nso ebesi akro
okay enti me that's your reku tie for ye chiamu nyina mama akwa abasoso now sene waka no potokasa mu no. Says a self-explanatory. But say you breaking it down now yeah there but ye level no there. Now the person say say base wa worry. Na wa worry awie no bibia ba na wagu aware na. Ese say wa worry no na egu no. Etumi gu okwan a edimu so. Okay. Say the be ya baby a wagu aware no say ode aware guo no krata no efri hoba UK ha UK mraso so ebeji ato enti no ekwan ben so na befa aware guo no ebekọ sene ode ba UK a UK for so beji ato oman mia wo ne nhihye a wa hihye okay nti saa oman ne nhihye no se no na wo nam so ade agu aware ne dia ene na UK mrane se wo fa saa mra kwan no so na ogu aware na wo de ba UK a omoso beji ato enti no na se wo hwemu dia na ne nkyire mu saa no straightforward very simple the ye bisa ne the requirement ne se aware guo no efa emra kwan so emra ya hihye de ato ekru a anase ba bi a wugu aware no emra ya hihye ato se yedugu aware no esese awarigu no efa saa ekwan no so nti se eho kotichima na amfa nhihye no so se ne sitie no de a na UK for so ode ba eno no omonjintum nti no yakasa e bia waware one oyere atena for 1 year nti se saa na tie de a mubegu aware na esese ye aware a yagu no court nti wuntimi nkotena enkwanchen ba bi keke na onkasa megu maware. Okay. Nti so kwotena nkwanchen ba bi keke na wan follow saa procedure na ye lay it down. So okay, wo ye Ghana ni, ukunu so ye Ghana ni, maware afi ba akuni. Enti no se bibi ni na se mubegu aware na, se ye court aware go. So wan ngunu saa, omo nyintum. Enye no nko a enim se enuanom muslimifo so wo mo kwan a wo fa so agugu wo maware. Hindufo wo mo de na Jewishfo so e wo mo de. Enti no ni nyina no eye process so wan fa saa process ni mu a na ukogu waware no na ode ba UK aban se omo enjintum because I follow the requirement no any procedure na nka ese follow okay Jewish for de no enso mo bibia ye frɛ no talib o se bibisa enti no ubegu aware na wie no ese wode kɔ na wode kɔ ma abusuafo no no omo gitum se aware na gu na ye nhihye na ye gitum so man fa anko na ya ngiantum ama ware na engu a then it means ware engu so there are instances ebi wo a ode beko na be ma no se onsom ana oba no se onsom so onsom dia na still no aware no engu ye nti wundimi nkoye eho krata emfa ma UK embeka se ware no egu se de befia yemfa ya ye aware a ye womi Muhammadin Islamic ne your friend is saying customary marriage and a ordinance marriage you know so what were sa aware mu nyina bia na wo yo bia sebe oni wukunu anase wo ho kani no moti krom ha so matena ha for a certain number of years in fact at least 1 year krana na se wo gu aware na UK emra no ema yeti asese sa aware no ubegu na esese nkalis ugunu wo court okay na court de ne insesiso now it says ampase wafa the required route yedugu aware no so but yenim say ye wo customary dissolution as well nti so ukoware wo amane ne amamre kwan so a se ye nimu no na ye tena fie na ye gi aware na ye si babia ye chichira aboa no wani sane no nti na chese nka ohwemu di a se ya gi aware no wo fie ne yakogu no wo fie a na nka nti atwamu no however bear in mind say because of immigration tino ene ye ya aware no wo fie wi a enso ho a ye san de ko na yakọ register aware no e de akọkire aban nti wo de kọkire aban wi a aban abeti asese waware bibia won krata so kama se wo kogu sa aware na yes ukoye dissolution now the bar nka esese ye gitum however ye nim say most of the time no aya na home office for efrano on that omuhia de court na ankasa atenase na egu aware no I know say your principal a church mu best about 2 or 3 weeks ago say enka ne kwan so dia say ye gu saa aware no e wo fie na yes it should be accepted say because say fie ho no ne ekogi aware no na aware no ya gi awie no ya register ye hu say okay ya ba begu no ntini ekogi certificate e dia to say ye confirm say ye gu aware no dia na che say more or less a follow process no it is say na say the saa aware go no ba and say the certificate no e ba then as I say UK for so etimejitum say ampa say ye gu aware no na ya fa eye nhihye a eda ho a ye di gu Ghana aware and say ye di gu aware wa ama no ya fa saa nhihye no so ene edi agu saa aware no so ye gu no saa so dia na che say UK emra no say say omususu omojitum.
Okay. So, we share senior lawyer Patrick Acheyemu na fi we share senior eno ode etu eja emma yen adwoada na yesi efre bibi limping marriage. Nti se won person aware no ebegbo akoko mpedia na ewose wo fa emrakwan no so na wo ye na senior UK mra ebeji atum. Lawyer kan bibi ye beba so because kan yen komodie no se ye giya wade ni wie etena se na abusua fanu no obia gi ye nsa no ne agi ho ade ayo no kontanse kan ne ade ye gi ni nyina awie a migration nsem titru ewo UK hanti no ewo se otoa so na oye bibia wo se wo de toa so me eno ebeba ewo ye nkomodie no mu enti hye no nso BWF solicitors SMN kai wo se owo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London no adwuma Monday to Friday fi anopa 9:30 ekosi anwumere 6 o'clock 077 127 61884 ana 0208 493-7340. Say waba so na fi woni yen ediju ma na misro pick the link na share ma obi nso enya bi because zin komo no na aye lawyer etiani e de akyere no nti ye ba na ye de abahihye so pa me wo na number 4 we say good morning. Good evening. Oh, America. We used to say good morning. Brian Morris, I say I am watching too. You, Brian, with CP. Nana Sumu, I say thanks, brother. Thank you. God bless you, dear brother. With CP. Me wa Vincent Dujem Fee. I was so kudos. Vincent won't say your boy and some amount. Why dear say oba. But waba swa na wapeke a line on na watch the amount for and so answer I can be. Your live ewo BWF Solicitors Facebook and your live and so ewo YouTube. Nana kusia so mo yes also watch yen ewo ha eda CP najman and mododo na no. Mama inya as many as about 500 shares and more. Na fi yen call yen likes and so. O call your YouTube page and so o click a subscription button na fi wa like it so that a notification be at the baby wonsa ebeka bi. Abusia ene enkomo no efa awade ho titru. Se o hwe senia yede ato yen ade no so yen page no so I was say customary marriage in Ghana impact on UK spousal visa. Enti de me person bisa de di kan ene se awade no kra no san na Ghana mra ne nim no menim se bia obaye o na se kwaku we de matiatia to na so abrofo no drum bi o monte ase eno nti omo ye no mo confuse yen ya na ye nso so ye akwaje omo de no atum na ye se ye awade no se ne esitie no na no ye yim na enje mahomi na obi de me call dwumade bi ase ne ye ka awade na wo kire di ntia awade kra ye UK force say Italy force say wo a som bi say ene ade but yen ade na de drum bi na akoye se de se ya anye popin na ya akoye se entesa abusia twetran na afi me ne eye lawyer Patrick emfa enkomo no emro me ne apedi ma me mra so na me misa se yen awade no den na say ye koyen yamamre mu a in a customary setting no what is called marriage.
Okay. Yo oreku me da say to send ye webisa no say ye ba yamamre ne yamane mu na ye ka aware no titiri ye ebusua mienu a omo age pene se omo adehie mienu enka omo homom emeye nipa baako.
Okay.
Nti so mo saa adehie mienu no ka mo ho beye nipa baako a enye mienu no pekeke na emom omo a mo wo nchen no ebusua santene ni nyina no ebeka ho beye ebusua baako agi aware no tumu a no ma ye ade baako. na yɛn hyehyɛ mu no unim sɛ Ghana yɛwɔ ethnic groups bebree nti no obiara wɔ kwan a ɔfa so a ɔgye na ware anaasɛ ɔnam na maneɛ ne na mamrɛ so ɛgye awareɛ ɛde esi hɔ ti sɛ yɛfa no awaregyeɛ na ɛyɛ sɛ abusua bɛrima na abusua akɔ ɔbaa ne fie ɛde nneɛma a ɔbaa na abusua wɔn nhyehyɛ mu no wɔn abusa sɛ wei ɛna yɛn nhyehyɛ mu no yɛde gye yɛn mama awareɛ ɛwɔ fie ha ti yɛn fa na kan mu di anaasɛ asantema mu a na ebi a bɛrima na abusua yasoa adaka ntoma ensa ɛne sika ɛgya abua ɛna danta yɛka ne nyinaa bom bɛrima no ɛde kɔ ɛde akɔ akɔhu abusuafoɔ abusuafoɔ atena ase ayɛ nhyehyɛ yɛbisa ɔbaa yi a bɛrima yi ɛbɛgye na ware yi sɛ osimasi ɔbɛntɛn waba sɛ ɔbɛgye wawadeɛ sɛbe ɛdeɛ yɛnim ona onam
ɛna wakɔhyia awadeɛ na ade aba
yɛbisa ne sɛ nipa yi a waba yi ɛne nneɛma a ɔde aba yi yɛnso mu anaa ti yɛbisa wo na wagye so sɛ yɛnso mu anaa sɛ meyɛnso yɛbisa wo mprɛnsa because sɛbi yɛnim sɛ busuma no yɛkɔ no mprɛnsa na wasisi dua ɛde ama yɛ nti wosisi dua de ma abusuafoɔ saa pɛ ne yɛgye tum a ɛno no ne awareɛ no yɛwɔ bi a nkɔfoɔ ka sɛ okay wakɔbɔ kɔkɔkɔ unya nduru hɔ because kɔkɔkɔbɔ anya awareɛ
okay
kɔkɔkɔ yɛ afei na ebi a wokɔ bisa nipa nase te sɛ ne wodi kan no so wokɔ awareɛ a ayɛ bisa ti afei na wokɔ akɔ bisa na wahwɛ sɛ aso nipa yi ɛkwan wɔ hɔ a metimi aba anim na mabɛyɛ neɛ ɛsɛ sɛ fata nti ɛno no deɛ da nkyɛn na emom sɛ ɔbaa no ne ɔbɛrima no agye penie na ɔmate ase sɛ ampa sɛ yɛn ntena emom sɛ nipa baako no afei na ɛkwan na bie sɛ yɛkɔhu abusuafoɔ nti no wakɔ bɛrima no ne ɔbaa no agye atom they've consented sɛ ɔmo bɛware abusuafoɔ no afanu no soso agye atom sɛ ɔmo ma no ɛbɛware sɛ ɔmo nya gye tum na yɛka abusua no bɔ mu wie a na afei no aka ne aka deɛ aka no ɛyɛ deɛ fɛ no consummation sɛ mo bɛtena ma wiase afa na nyinaa ehu sɛ
mo yɛ
awarefoɔ sɛ mo bɛyɛ awarefoɔ deɛ na kyɛ sɛ edi mu ansa na ɛno na yɛ customary marriage no ɛno na yɛ yamaneɛ ne yamamrɛ kwane a yɛfa so a yɛ no ne aka wɔ nkyɛn no yes ɛno soso boa na emom no wei no deɛ yɛde atwa yɛfuru a yɛnim sɛneɛ ɛsitie ansana sɛ bibroni de ne ordinance marriage ne yɛkeka ka ho no
mɛba ordinance marriage no so na menkɔ akyire kakra na memmisa woka no kan sɛ kwan a yɛfa so na bɛrima kɔgye ɔba nsa na ɔno ho abusuafoɔ na abusuafoɔ agye atom Ghana ɛne yɛn customary setting no ɔbaa timi ware bɛrima anaa bɛrima nko a ɛna ware ɔbaa mmerɛ mu te sɛn
Oreku awareɛ no sɛ de yɛnim no no ɛyɛ bɛrima na ɛkɔgye ɔbaa awareɛ ɛnɛyi na ɛm sɛ wiase nsakyera yɛ nti no ama nneɛma akɔ sɛbe kyew kakra nti woba UK a yɛnim sɛ UK mmara agye tum sɛ ɔbaa tumi ware ɔbaa bɛrima soso tumi ware bɛrima yɛn yɛ kurom Ghana ɛnte saa
okay
mmara no mma ho kwan saa but sɛ moyɛ heterosexual couple ɔbaa ne bɛrima a mohyia magye atom sɛ mobɛtena sɛ awarefoɔ no deɛ sɛne yɛyɛ nim no firi tete no sɛbe ɔbaa sɛ wototo a yɛse ɛtwere bɛrima dɛm enti no ɔbɛrima no na ɛsɔre brane na wakɔgye ɛyɛ ɔbaa no afiri n'abusuafoɔ nsɛm
ɛna bio ma mensa mesa sɛ sisi akwantuo ani wiase ayɛ ketewa bi nti no wobɛhu ana obi a ɔnyɛ Ghana ni so yɛ ɔbaa so yɛ bɛrima sɛ ɔkɔ Ghana na ɔkɔ ware titi se be ma bi a fancy oye Nigeria ni or Liberia ni or Portugal ni or English Bruni no ko Ghana kokko ware ye jitu mo se waba aba be ye customary amare no e wo Ghana.
Yes, of course, ye jitum because ye mra no sene etie no enye Ghana ni Ghana ni a esia nko a na tumi ware under customary marriage no. Ema ho kwan ema obi a onye Ghana ni otumi ware Ghana ni. In fact, case law wo ho a edi adanse macab edi adanse pefe se aware no enye omo a sebe omo mienu nyina ye Ghana fo. There's no requirement say esese omo nyina eye Ghana fo. Aware fo na omo je aware na tum no omo ye Ghana fo. Baako ye Ghana ni na baako ye sebe amanfofo so ni a eno so eye okay ni nyina no ye gitum emra no ma ho kwan ema mutumi eware ema ne yeye. Yes. Na ebia obi be ka se nti wo koje aware a yemfa nse oye Italian, oye German, oye Dutch, oye American ni ana oye English ni. Why na ejina wanemu na waje aware na ma? It's very fairly straightforward. So obi ni ho a oje aware na ma wa emra no ma ho kwan ema ofa obi ema ni jina wanemu representative. Bear in mind say
was so ebusiani.
Not really, no.
The time I miss our question.
So ebusiani.
The time I miss our question. Who tray mu say ebusiam yenu. Ene kabum na bema ko hu flower no akote na ye kabum na fa ebusiafo ni mienu aba ba ye ebusian ba ko no. Se me nam na me kofa me yonko bi se unko gina machi no ngina mu ma me na ebusiafo ehu a se me anka ebusian na mu.
Yo, so se o hwe no sane ya hwe ni di a na ye ka ebusian asemu di a na nka ye fa no literally di a na se ebusian afanu no na e ka bom. Na nso so ene wiase mu atre. You know, Emma enye dabia na ebusuan nyina betimi ahia. Sebe aware no kra ye customary marriage no. Ehia se awarefo no mienu no kra no, omo bewo Ghana. Nso se nka wo hwemu di a, na nka ye ware a, enka se awarefo no kra no, omo gina hobi edi adanse na ye bisebisa omo num nsem se omo pene so se omo mienu ye nka omo moma na. But ye customary marriage no, entesa which means say wonni krom ho kra na abusua no betimi atenase aye nhihye agiaware na tom na abusua no ne din ne abusua but omo represent wo interest.
Okay.
Inti se sa na tie dia na che se obi a onye sebe busuani a free mojamu dia ono susu betimi agina ho agina wanam etimi aye nhihye no e de ama amana yeyi.
Ese mrana tiase se obi gina wachi a na ogina ho a represent wo interest.
Of course.
Inti it does not necessarily mean say ebeye bi a wo papa o maame wo fa na typical busuampani ya na da bi omo behu no ma diska no. Nanso so obi obeti a represent wo interest no. Emrana recognize say oye wo busuani waji atum. Na okay. Mama hwe ni say ye ji awade na sene ya mamre ni amamne esitie no sebe ye ji ne fie untimi nkogina kwanchan no aka se asumasi ni obintin ni unyina machi ne ye ji ne fie efie nso so ene baabi a semeka ne sa baabi a matena bia be afie mi no ho na me kwa adwuma ba beda edidi ne ade nti se me wo fie na abusuafo ho a metimi aye customary marriage no titru e wa brochire.
No.
Ade.
Customary marriage no untimi enye ne wa brochire. The reason why untimi nye ne wa brochire ne say abrochire mra enje aware a ye hihye no ofie entum.
Okay.
Say aware no ye beji atum wo UK emramu a na esese oman na ye aware no afiri so de aba no saa oman no egi saa eye aware no nhihye no etum. UK fo ni bibia wo momra mu a eche se obetimi aware by customary no. Inti mpo say yemfa no say ye high commissioner wo high. Nka be ka say high commissioner ba bi owo no. Say Ghana. Inti nka utimi ko ekoje aware anaboa. Nso da bi untimi nye ne saa ma ne nye yi. because baby a Ghana High Commission wɔ no ɛyɛ UK for asase ɛna ɛwɔ so case law a friend Radwan and Radwan 72 ɛkyerɛ sɛ ahampo na ɛyɛ commission na ɛyɛ Ghana still na untimi ɛngye aware no wɔ ha the only other time nkampo ubetimi aka sɛ ubetimi agye saa aware no kra no yɛ baby anka bɛka sɛ okay High Commission hey ye bie napono ato hɔ yama no ho kwan sɛ nka da bia no nkɔfo tumi ɛbɛgye aware wɔ ha nti no public no ya aware sɛ yɛtumi gye aware wɔ hɔ yama ɔmo license yama ɔmo bibia ɔmo tumi ehyira aware so anaasɛ ɔmo gye aware wɔ hɔ however the whole of UK nyinaa no okɔ baabia ni ho abɛkɔ a sɛ embassy sɛ High Commission sɛ hwan ɔmo nyina obi ani wɔ license a yɛtumi de ware wɔ hɔ so it's o foreign representative na o ha no kra no fie no yentimi class no as Ghana empo ma won koje aware wo ho e ma na nyeye se ganye sa de a nka humpo enkohia se ye besuma akọ Ghana se busuafo ntena se no mo nya nhihye na mo ware maye ke no an se ye buku ya na eja yakọ ye wura papa wo so ankoma se eja
jituma wo na busa pedi
bo aye na tena mu na ye bibia maye na nka waye ni nyina fefefe etintim nkrata registration ni bibia na nka ode amaye na bi
no adwi bi symmetry na me say BWF solicitors mo na mbetimi ayesa de wo kan say ye betimi apre say ya wade ne ye gitum wo fie efie nso ne fie abusua pani nso ye abusua pani emfa ho so ote ama no ne o ye abusua pani ntinka ye nyina abusua pani ne papa ozo akoma ntinka mo man ye license na ye ya traditional wade na ye nkotena High Commission High Gate ho
na ye nyem free ho
entimi maso
I think say a very clever way UK for anam so a omode ahihye mra no se be ya emma ho kwan ma yenye saade no nti no enye yen per se as UK anamusini na yenni ho kwan sa but all of the other ones ni nyina obia ni commission ni sa tumi na ode ma ho kwan ma ye ware free sa bia ye ho
pushi
ye push they do the insisan yaba no ba nti no
covid semi ya mo ma me
exactly nti no
nti na jesenka
ye push na nka ye de no akoshi but yes I think say omo etina asihye mra no omo very clever nti no enyansa kwan so na omo fa omo de ayesa nti no say ko gina commission no akwa ka say me commission ni ana me embassy ni nti no me consulate okay my baba ware o nti munje ntuma omse dabi but uhwemu a asori ahodo halls ahodo ne emiamia bebre omo license a emo mutumi na otimi de ware nti ade nti na commissions any embassies any consulates no there yesi dabi obia as we speak now no omuni obia ni wa license a obetimi ayesa ade
abusia se afei ana obekan ye ho a eye community and the law ana ye de brew yeguso edi ho enkomo lawyer Patrick wo BWF ase ye BWFs eboa ema yetemra na se na afei ye hunu sane yesi ede to ene ye hwe awade no emu de hen ana ye mra ene ye nhyehyɛ ene ya mamre no agi etum wo kire yemu abusia no eware wi a eden na wo se yetimi eye titu efa na se yenya yetu kwan yabetena akwantuo mu na afei anya da bia ana yetimi kofie durumre bi na wo hia odofo ewo ha mo bikora na motena na ewo se mokọ ekoye eho ade ewo se mokọ Ghana na asemo antimi ankwa eden ana yebetimi aye ene de yedi hu komotitiri se customary marriage in Ghana, the impact it has on UK spousal visas. Ye ewie na se ye de kwaje visa eden ena wo se ye nya no saa se de abusuafo agye nsa no anom awie na ena ede snap de aka na akwhye ne mpaase na se yewie a eno ano no but also wo text bi a obetimi ede abrayen e wo 07950 422 780 07950 422 780 anasa bre no so a obefre in line no e 0208 1231016 and now so first our text number now so 07950 422 Mr. So when share ya bomodi a share na ofo so enya ho emfa so senia nimdie Any so huna ye nya wa ha no obi nso ebenya eso emfaso bi sa. Lo Patrick ma sign ababio ade awade no awie. Yetua kontaze sekan ye de oba na ma mo transit mo bra. Akwantu abem. Anansa me kasa kra no awarefo ne mu baako ete UK ha na so ɔte amanane. Say wari wie na busua age atum no. Anamo ben na wose yetu a ebemma ye immigration situation ene ya setena titio ewo UK ha no etimi agina ye. Wadarama.
Yo. Nti first thing I say ye hu ni say your customary marriage laws no. Sene ya hyehyɛ no no. Enhye obi sese wo ware ewo amane ne amamre kwan so. Wo ware wo fie a wo be register sa ware no.
Okay.
Emra ne nhye wo sa. Nti no se wo ware ne ya opa obetimi akwa register aware no na aba aban mu. Se wo pesusu a then that's fine because emra no sene maka no enhye se wo be yesa. However, yenim se ene akwantuo mu nsam nti no se wo yesa efie aware na ehu akohia se ubenya bibi a ebedi adanse se ampa se waware because be den se ubekọ eye TLS contact center na yebisa say okay ubeji visa also waware nti die na kire se waware o say amunko bisa me wofa o na ji mi trinsa
O fe nso ye fe na yehu no
ye hwe na yehu
o fe tu pia afajan hi
okokra nti no ebe ye den nti na chese ehu akwa hia se ubeye bibi a ebetumi edi adanse so eye discretion. However, ensi wo kwan se wo pese o register aware na oye akwanya no ewo ho. Nti se sa na tie dia na ye benya ho kwan na ye evidence ya ware na ehu behia se ye aware no wo fie awie no. Ye de aware no ankasa no ebegu enkrata so.
Okay.
That is registering aware no. Na eno no se woni ho nti no abusuafo na ejina mu ma wo no o representative na ojina wu ma wo no wo mo na edi anim na omakwa akoye sa registration no edi ama nti de omo ye ne se omo kọ KMA ana so se AMA ana miamia ti sa ye ye aware atum no na omakọ akọ register aware no de omo kan se ye ba osimesi obenten any ye ndihye ya menu enu adai na ye ka omu bo mu sa warefo omu amu de omu ni ha omu wa amanone na emom sene ya mane ene ya mamre esitie no ya fa sa kwan no so aka omu abom amanei omu ya wafo omu ware da no memenda etwa mu no enne juadai na ekwan abamu a ye ba be ye nhihye na ye de aware no egu krata so nti registrars no ebe ye nhihye se ne tie a check ne so mo check nyina na omamma certificate sa certificate no eno na ya na eye white no because yenim se ye wo ba ko bi a ye tintin green one na eno no eye for ordinance marriage no but the American one se customary marriage de no eye white a obehu se ne atro so customary marriage na yatro emra no se ne ye de afaso ahyehye no ade aguso oba ne din wo so bema din wo so mfia o ma di eda ye de ware ye o ma o mu gina mu ma o sensan register no be ye no wa stamp so ne ade agina na ode akye na nsa na uwia makwa akoye statutory declaration no representative na o mu gina mu ede gi aware no o mu na kwa akodi adanse akasampa yen osimesi obenten yemienu ye gina mu ema ya eni kofi omo aka omo ho abom sa warefo ye di adanse pefe se ya eyemeba anase kofi eyeme wofaase anaso se kofi eyemi anase kofi me ye representative and that is where the ye ka se obi wo ho a na bia onye Ghana ni intino ha no caution na ye de ma amanfo no se sebe nipa na o ko gina mu ama wo no se onye wo papa onye wo wofa onye wo auntie onye wo unua na oye obi representative wadanfo bi anase panimu bi na wasere ne se oni wacha ginemu mamia emfa enkɔhye o start deck no so se nipa eye wo papa ye hu cases a nkofo di bi akɔhye so saa na ɔde ahyɛ aware start deck no so say papa na ogina mu no eye ne papa
Meanwhile, no, and papa.
meanwhile na onye ne papa
That's an which no.
home office affair chiri akoye omo investigations ama na come out say saa papa ya owo certificate yi so a wo ka so your papa yi owuye 1999 inti den na 2020 all of a sudden
What about your papa?
what me sorry a wa be sign aware nkrata wasan be your papa yes who create problem ma ho unnecessarily but from yen senior entity ni ya system mu sitie no yen de yetiase de enti a nkofo yesa because yenim say entity mu no obia oye pani a otumi wu obia no uhia na ese so ofre no daddy ana mommy nti saa na yen
And say cry and your uncle.
nti no obia oti saa bia no ye uncle ana say daddy ana say mommy and that's what we know saa na ye de atete ye ama ye de anyim nti no say odi obi say kohye so a the temptation is say odi ne hye so say papa say mpo say oye wo fa so a preko pe no oye papa saa na ye de entity ye mu ye nim no nti no odi ne hye so say nka papa na nka ense hwe but de wodi ye ni nti no ese bibi nti se oye uncle a ensuro se obeka se oye uncle because ye mra animu no baabia ni ho a ya tro se ese se o papa nimpon potin no eni ugina mu agi aware no ma ye nka
se from so amanfo eye ne se yentiase ne se abusua ena gi awade ene yenso yenim abusua no se wo se oye wo fa ne wo papa no na wo se gina wachi enti se ye de kwokrata so de a ene ne wo se meka nokre.
That's right.
Because when you say one can cry na akoye se but send you much ye mo ne se ne mrani city na kire se obi betimi agina wachi wa bra onye wo blood relation.
no
Abusia for Mr. Mama yente no ase say ade confusion abapa say somebody can represent you to contract your marriage and the person may not necessarily have to be your blood relation but somebody who can represent your interest in the marriage and be a witness to it. Say jama idea or some the back quiz no
hard you know it causes a lot of problem for your community no and sabe send you watch church mu no adwin na etechiri ntina ye de yesa obi papa wa abuchi ha ena ne wofa akogina mu age aware no ede ama no afei certificate ne baba na papa na owa abuchi no ena ne din hye so se on ne kogina mu gi aware
so na oni
so papa no e wa abuchi nti wo wofa na okogina mu ma wo no edi nti na wo ka se oye wo papa because ekroma de yenim se so obi ye wo papa na te se wo pese wo te se onu na sebe owo se oye wo uncle na betumi akoba se wo papa nua no ana se wo maami nua no nti wontumi nkoka se we eye wo papa wa bra onye wo papa oye wo uncle oye wo uncle oye wo papa oye wo papa oye wo stepfather na wo koka se oye wo papa eche ikobusa se fa adanse eche se o papa ni bra eho be yedin because adanse a obetimi dia ba no enya adanse eche se o papa nti no bibia ni ho esi ye kwan na farie bia anim emra no nchichiri yen UK mra o Ghana mra o ni nyina no enchichiri yen se eye wo wofa koka se eye wo papa no nti necessary ye hye no nso na yamfa ye ho ankoto asema eni homu.
Okay.
Because
me scenario we emra na yenhwe say besi aboa minim be ma bia or free Ireland or Irish ne hokani eye Ghana ni ba omo mienu nyina ete abrochire ha omo busuafo nyina nso so ewo ha se be ma no ekọ na afi okohunu oba na busuafo no ware na UK aware beji atum. Because one, Obani free Ghana. Omote hadie. Nanso so Obani ye Ghana niya. Na se ene ne custom ni nyina ye Ghana. Sa wade no. Omo be den na ya giatum. Na se immigration se mo be mo omotimi agina so de ye bibi.
Yo. Nti se ye beji aware no atumu a. Not the requirement no any say. Sa aware no afa eye nhyehyɛ a Ghana man ahyehyɛ ede ato. Bear in mind say enye oba no na eware beema no. Beema no na ekɔware oba no. Nti ɔkɔgye ne tirinsa ɛwɔ fie ɛwɔ Ghana. Se baby a saa oba ne free ɛwɔ Ghana no. Nhyehyɛ a wama ayede ato hɔ no. Ɛsɛ saa ware no ɛfa so. Nti no nhyehyɛ ne sɛ yɛn mienu a meyɛ Irish ni na ɔno yɛ Ghana ni ebi a ofiri ɛyɛ Asante Achimagogo. Yagye atum sɛ yɛbɛware. Yagye atum awie yɛbusuafo no mienu soso no ɔmo adidi hu nkɔmɔ agye atum sɛ ampa yɛbɛware. Ama me na me yɛ Irish ni no. Ebi a mia munu mintimi nkɔ because me ni saa time no bibi nti ana adwuma nti. Nti masoma obi efiri ha. Anampo me de nkra ma obi ɛwɔ Ghana sɛ gina manemu na yesa nhyehyɛ ma me kɔgye ɔbaa we aware ɛwɔ wɔn amamrɛ ne wɔn amane kwan so ɛfa ma me nti wo de ɛho nsa akɔ ekola ka ya hyɛ ne ma akontase kan ne bibia wabɔ ne nyinaa boa wo de asoma obi ɛde nsa ɛde asisu sɛ momfa nkɔ na momfa nkɔgye aware ɛma me ɔbaa na gye atom so wa gye atom yɛde kɔɔ yɛ no ebusua no soso ebisa ɔbaa yi sɛ yɛdɔfo pa bɛɛma yi wa wonim sɛ sɛbe ofiri ekrom ha Irish broni kama pa wa na wɔhyia no wa kwantum na so pɛ sabre ɔso ɔbɛgye waware na wasi no pi sɛ ampa sɛ mo yɛ ebusua yɛngye ntum ana yɛbisa o sɛ ana yɛngye ntum ebusua na gye nsa no nti once ɔma gye nsa no pɛ no they have consented because baako no a ɔbɛgye aware no wetua dowry no Emma abusua na ɛgye dowry no so a accept saa dowry no. So mo accept dia na che say number 1 oba no ne beema no a consent. Abusua no oba na chi ene beema na chi si omo so a consent. Then what is left no consummation. Consummation no so dia. Yenim say e koso dada because me ka say oba ni beema omo tifie dada. Omo ye dia so me ka kra bia no omo awo kra che say ntafo ne ade nyina wo. Nti na che say saa part no so no is done. Say is done there. Na UK mra no say ye de saa ware no ba ha wo mo so ebeji atum. Ese say follow procedure na ekro na ye ware so wo no. Wahyehyɛ ede ato wo.
Enti meji wa no see se saa ware Irish ni Burma any Ghana ni ba Irish ni no even though on betena ha ni aboka no pi na ya ba ya no me yensa ne ade na mum we tribofo efi ha anaso wa pa obi am na gina na chi na wa ko hu oba na busua na abusua no agye atum na waye saa anamon wo tu wie a e wo so register wo Ghana anaso wo so be register wa ha
e so register no wo Ghana.
Okay.
Ghana na you register saa aware no because ye mra na nkasa customary marriage no no there's no requirement say obeware. Bear in mind that into no enhye bia ani wo say obe register na emom say be adanse enti say ehun be kwa akohia say adanse enti no register dia na Ghana na ye gina ye nhyehyɛ Ghana mra ene ye gina so saa aware no Ghana amane ne amamre ene ye gina so agye saa aware no tu mu. Mra no say Ghana na say o person o register and the inscription na wo mra no say may na say may no discretion na say enhye o ye kete say say register na emom no say o person wo ye dia then under section 3 and 3 no mra no ma ho kwan say obetimi aye again two section 2 no say parties no mienu mu nyina no mu bia no betimi initiate sa registration of the marriage no which is fine but enya ade a enhye it is what for sa processes we nyina mu no aye o start deck waje judicial letter e de aka ho any foreign affairs letter e de aka ho mo IDs oba no ID bema no ID abusu egina mu no omo nyina IDs na mo de ni nyina aka ho na ma register ware no abo ni nyina aboa na o de aba UK aban say because say afa sa Ghana nhyehyɛ ni mu na Ghana man agye atum sɛ mo fa the right procedures mu na mo de aye de mo de aye no sɛ ya mamre kwan so a mo fa no sɛ ne ya hyehyɛ e de ato ho no so mo san akɔyɛ registration bibia nam ne kwan so de a ene UK emra e kyerɛ sɛ ye de ba ha ye soso ye begye atum ti your family Law Act makes provisions for that under section 46. Say ebejiatum Home Office for ankasa kra no omo guidance omo dey about since 2019. Omo left it the same assembly are making. They've mirrored it and they've put it in there. Nti one more guidance in nti enya dia your customary marriage na chi yira kwan. Enya yira kwan kra wo UK. It is there. It's written in black and white.
Na emma Home Office for enya challenge with ya wade na drum maybe a o de kwaa se we yen ntum enom na mistake ben na ye as Ghana for.
Okay, mistake ye no baako eye de ya boso sisia no regarding say nipa na o ginemu a represent no sebe or your representative or your representative nti so your maame or your maame o papa or your papa senye sanity then can send you city men ko can be before. That is number 1. Number 2 ene dia yehu omo ka se aware na wo ware no for EU immigration purposes. Ye nyina ye nim se back in 2020, 31st December, 11 p.m. No, na a specified date and time. Na esenka obia ufree Europe ababia no nanka oha. Na extended family members so a omo ba be join family members wa no nanka omo so e wa ha no ankoba no sa. However, say uyo obi a nanka afi na o be ware na wagina ware no so dia ba then esenka before sa specified date and any time na makano. Now a formal relationship no dada. Inti sa wa ware ya u begina so e de age krata de aba UK no. Na aware no wa ware dada. Now yenim say your customary man say ya kan bebre sisi ayi no. Bibia ni ho e hye wo say uwie a ko register aware no. So o pa obetimi ayi. Enti yaw any coffee e ware June 2020 2020 omo ware June 2020 no ya ote ha oye EU ni waje ne settle status ni bibia ote ha sa time no na ya onye na adwen se opese ode ya ba UK and then nei akwakoba se okay ba ko asetene mu ya nti no bra na beka me ho na ye mmɔ bra no nti sa adwen ya be na ya ene yawo aka omuti abom abusuafo a agi aware no omasoma se monko na aware na moje ni June 2020 no and nay on the 18th of September 2021 no monko register sa aware no na nkwa aban mu emfa maye no nti abusuafo no akwa akoye ne sa. Now bear in mind say ye the certificate no ba marriage certificate no so no date e wono so no ebe kire se wo ware ye June 2021 nti e no ni data ebe wo marriage certificate no so because ada no na wo ware ye kasa. However say omuko na omuko ye registration na other documents na e ka ho na edidi adanse se mo ware no sa documents no ye stamp no backdate no
ebe stamp on the time
yeah amount no. However, some will refer to our year now, they will refer to it as say mo ware answer.
Na no bi ni ka say ware to ho no.
Exactly. It is sa ene wo sa nkrata enu ene ye dia ka ho ne ye dia aba. The Home Office for asheda pese omonti ase ne say wa ware no o ware ye before sa December deadline date na yes na nke se wa formal relationship.
Okay.
Eye meka say ebia edida ho eno mo ye. Ebre na senior principal mo bre ya ma efri Karim so awuku beba e ma ene ya beje eye proxy marriage atum na ye de ahye eye guidance mu na ebi akɔhye eye UK mra mu no sa bre na bi na omo ya ma yensusu ya bebre. And so what we are doing with sa encheche any the ye kano, we want to nip it in the bud and close that chapter because the empesa ye better sa agenda na akobre ho yeni ntina ya ka ye guso e kano na ye beka kopum se obi de bekwa akoma Home Office for na omatie bi na omososo enya ncheche
ene me mfa me ho nyina obi a bi owo sa situation no me worry be September 2020. Na 31st no enruye. Warrior no ewo ho. Big cry na mete ha. Na nso abusuafo akọ ye de wo se ye wo Ghana bia. Se say abehia se ewo se me de ye me nkrata asem. Enu nti se me kasa wo monko register wo Ghana mame a. Bia na nipa o ye registration no ni ade na dwen se na no na mo ware yo nti officer mesrew wo stamp na odi si so no change date ne fa koye time aye ware ye no eno no se wo mo bi yes ama wa ye mistake.
Why mistake? Yes.
Eno na me pese amanfo say uncheche mu no sa na eko se wo mo bi yes bibi ne ma wa ye mistake.
Yes.
De e wo sa wo ye ne se da wo ware ye ne date no de this marriage was contracted on 20th June 2020.
Yes.
But it was registered on 19th of August 2021.
Yes, that's fine.
Kanokrene sa.
Entomre bia.
Na no e de ba home office for eno na aka so omo ya hyeda so omo person
Omo person beti ase.
Okay.
Because omo nim se ne emra na sitie. Say the medical can check. Because omo guidance na make no 2019 nti enche 2019 no ewom.
Okay.
Nti no se ewom se moje proxy marriage tum na ewom so se mo se e follow eye emra na ya hihye de ato ekro na ye ware wo so no sa afasa emra kwan no so dia na musumo bagye atomu dia adai nti na obi aware wo amamre kwan so na yen yamamre kwan so no yesi aware no eye da odi eye sa etrensa no ne dare no koye ma ya gitumu sa da no ene ya aware no na ya gi atum se sa aware date no eye before the specified date which is 2020 December no so ya gi atum sa na ekro na ye de aware ni free so de aba no emu mpanimfo se na emu nhihye sitie no o matena se agi atum se ampa se yaw ne ya omo ware ye June 2020 on the 20th afi eno omo beye omo aware no registration ye mmerem no enhye bia ni ho se nka se June 2020 no omo ware on the 20th no na se nka omo register ene no omo ba emra no omo kwan se fio ha na afi no omo be register kwa na omo nya ba ye be ya ama omo enti ni nyina no musimo agi atum guidance na gitum emra pon na eye UK emra pon no eno susu gitum sa nti se agi atum sa na moa na mahihye emra no dia adan na mutwa mo ho ne ye de ade ne brewa osi no ye tiase na chese ye boapayo nti ye ka tro manfo no se bibi sa wo wakon mu a emohu de hia ne se aware na wo ware ye no na eye before the specified date no nti specified date no eye December 2020 31st 11 p.m. se no wa ware dia wa ware no wa ware ato obeka ya ansa na kura na ye be ko e bo hu de wo aware no yetimi ware to ho aware no yetimi ware to ho aware no yetimi ware to ho enye certificate na ye de be ma no ene ye de kire na emom se wa ware na wa fa amane ni amamre kwan so Ghana mra kwan so aware eno ene ye de hwe nti forget home office for omo de so omo so omo nsua that's fine se edu se ne esese omo nsua they will learn nti no ekwanja no wo ho nti ware to ho ene eba ho de ro nkofo ye ene ne nam se home office
home office who say BW of Maso den pa anti tembia na pese omo outpace mo but you say uni penny adue but the me make na say wo abusua mu oti oman mu ene ade na uni nimdefo a ya na wasem ka eden kakra evi say ebidru mebi na e wo say uye bibi na uhia ho nimde a e wo say wo kọ nimdefo a wo sua ho na watimi abo eno anti na me kamfo ama say any BWF solicitors any enkomo BWF solicitors ewo 2142218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London where you Monday to Friday ifi anopa 9 o'clock ekosi enyumere 6 na obefre wa 0208 493 7340 0208 493-7340. BWF enye memindewi ankwa ena woni di emremu nkomo ho dwumadie yewo enhyehyɛ yawada anopa efri nonkron eko nundu yewo Rainbow Radio so na dodo na wotahu lawyer Eunice anasa lawyer Richard Awba na oma yen nkomo na nkomo no se ne yesi ebo no memindewi yi sa so ena yawada anopa no wode ebro nti dru ha na onso so watune in ubenya yen platform ya so BWF Solicitors Facebook page and BWF Solicitors YouTube page. It be also so WhatsApp and all the other platforms not yet the ebro also. If you are not pan so say our GN radio so if free anopa 9:30 ekosi anopa 11 o'clock. Now my ete many aba and etnase na fe wo disa adwuma no and uta ete ye senior partner Uncle Ben and say lawyer Patrick and lawyer Asma e wo say adwumadi no so. Ne duru me nda wi ade na je say eboja ye kra ye kagum na fe don't hear me no ten questions or concerns and na fe ye de quiz no ene nimdia ahodo a de bebro no nyina ye de eba and also makra osufimpo me na metenamo sane ene me di dwumai eno nti sabri mu mebie ahoma no atomu number me de ye adwuma no 0208 1231016 0208-123-1016 and answer 07950-422-780 07950-422-780 BWF Solicitors and Edibre. Yeah, I was here with us say watching so aja wape ebre ape nsuo bi agu me na say na e wo say ofre odofo bi nso so na wotimi eba na fe yede enkomo ne hye so wo voice note no magi e wo your number no so say medical ba wa mane 07950422780 e WhatsApp and no nso so e text message wo be frɛ yen nso so abetimi afrɛ yen sa number na so 07950422780 and answer wo be send wo voice note no e dey abre wo so number for the bay adwuma no so 0208-123-1016 mengfa some of the comments in free yeah Facebook page and in YouTube page also na memfamra o comment no betimi enso agya e wo ho e dey amaye sa ma memfa we any kind na memisa say was say I'm a Ghanaian national living in the UK with my EU national wife with a resident card. I need to go to Ghana and I'm transiting in Netherlands. Do I need to apply for a transit visa? Lawyer, question you need to be Eddie Abaton, Jubansi, and Dubai.
Yo, I mean, oka residence card na mami bohun kakra. Mami bohun chese baby a yedu ne sisi ano. Wa residence card bia no. Ese se anka June 2021 nanka waye o EU settlement scheme no. Inti minim se waye ni EU settlement scheme no dia. Se onye ya mesre ne se ontu ho anamo ansankra na baby a opeso okono wako. Nemom no ne question no se o call within Europe no akoye transit na o ye family member omusi da bi ehia se obaje transit visa and so on wa fasa krono so e dia ko ba bia wo.
Okay.
Because we are family member of an EEA national. And you know that is what it is. But the advice no say all the time no as only airlines for no ekasa no muhu dia opese oye any baby a woko na omogitum say sanity. But this is the advice in general no omoma say residence card ni kuta anase ukuta card a eche say oye EU ni anase EU ni ebusuani na wo transit through Europe no dia then ehun ko hia say obeji visa transit visa and so on.
Okay. Well, yen hwe ofofro so ewo ha eson kakra ewo animu we say ofele need to have parent route application form. You bisa na say if akwala or rely on has a British passport, which or answer yes, and I was asked to fill the passport details. However, the passport are expired, so the system would not allow me to proceed further without giving a future date of expiry of the passport. Instead, 2019 no, and or year passport 2029 made it 2029 in order to proceed with the application. I later explained giving the reason. Oh, okay. Instead said or the 2019 na passport no could change in year 2029 na form no man call anymore. Would they accept it or would they say that I've given false information?
Okay. Well, I mean you nim say akola ye kan ho asem or British ampa. Only say passport na expire. It's you know yes. Nipa ya obisa question na nka hu hia se instance 2019 no obeka se passport no expire 2029 hu hia sa obetimi aka se no because so or the application no kwa or the sa passport na expire no obetimi the account
but no can be say senior also no say form no so no about 2019 no
yeah
and man no kwa ni mu bio
yes because the passport no is expired.
And no sense continue in your application.
No, of course, obetimi aye. Obetimi aye.
Obetimi
aye application because akola ya so na yegina na ma no 2.5 years no. Inti yenim dada sa akola we or you British. And unti na ma no 2.5 years no. Inti yes, e bisa say or passport na. Say passport na expire now the expiry date ni shemu a, it will not pick up. Sometimes no, so oka say oni passport e bisa further questions.
Oh.
Whether say akola no will be and I expire and answer on GB kra say I expire not just no will be na expire into no ombema wo de passport na I expire no details no ashim.
Okay.
But that's what I say. So not just say who here say o de date be e de akosemu a enye sanity because forms no ebe allow ama say passport na expire obetimi I insert dates na ewo expiry passport no so but and say hwe yen fan say bia ne nsa na corporate bibi na okoye mistake
but so, they can ho ekwa they'll find out
it's I mean akola na British and na akola no so na man in the first 2.5 years no the basis upon which I demand no sa basis no say and sisaya ono na wa akola na brabo ma na so na hwe akola no so responsibility and say or direct access this animal into no yeah fine and no into me and fatal with application
okay offer so the ni or say ni nua ba ehwe ni kunu wo Ghana that she have to tell authorities if yes what does she need to do if no then it's fine. Her husband used to live here before she went back home some years now. I'm say the all kind of say Emma no ha okay. Ghana wakwa free mu I was so bo if you can see for money.
Well, I mean nipa no every mo yes but because the entire ekobasa and say ebia na nipa bonifo bi akofa ebia ne documents bi na ode aye bibi ntino say nipa no kofa obi document na ode aye bibi a na ote no obi be bo do abra se be ma ekura no wa free mo na how keke. Yes, almost say nipa na free mu a ense hwe. So at least they know say nipa we ni o. Nti so chine bi na say obi e de say nipa documents e ba say ono na esimesi a then they know say nipa na o de ba no onye the correct person. I think say hu be here.
Me Brian Morris so e de nie or say my wife is a German. If I'm transiting through Europe to Ghana, how would I prove or show that I'm a EU family member?
Yeah, simple. I don't think our worry. Into our worry na waware no edi adanse se ampa se oye EU ni abusuani. Eno achi kra no. So woware EU ni ebusuani ana woware EU ni a ekrom ha no yenim sesisi a no ye ma wo eye card a ye EU settlement scheme card ni bi ana se ukuta dada ni bi a permanent resident ana se residence card no eno di adanse se ampa se woware EU ni because that card no specifically for sa nipa na omo wo sa akwantuo no so no nti omo ye applications under immigration rules no omo card na ye de bro no aya na atro so BRP biometric residence permit but omo ye EU for ni EU for abusuafo no omo de ya na atro so biometric residence card.
Okay. Well, obetimi de wode aba Dasibre say when can you divorce after marriage with your EU wife?
Right, okay. Again, since the last week or so, yeah, be doing komo bebre. Yes, into shishemu no emrano say o ware EU ni a. And sana ube divorce no esese matena abom 3 years.
Okay.
Esese ware na di 3 years. Matimi atena abom 1 year wo UK. Nti ware na di 3 years, matena abom wo UK 1 year. Se sana tie dia emrano se ubetimi divorce. Na mbom enye no nko a because say wakwa aware bi mu na aware no entawanta wo na ye de wada ne punching bar emra ne hye wo setena mu kopem sa 3 years na ansa na wajai nti no say wujai on the basis of domestic abuse so a emra no e wo nhihye a e wo ho a ubetimi retain all right.
Well, we me some follow up question be me sure say be a nipa krono or somebody else might have that. Say domestic violence in tea. And now say for reasons of be a warrior no incompatibility ni adena montama tetea. Say unko enkonko year with divorce no. For how long na mbutumi separate here emrana be gia tumo say aware we de egu eno nti whatever it is obetumi aka say omonware bi.
Okay, so what worry obi na unyan engu aware no sene enhihye no sitie na ye ma divorce certificate na chese aware no da so ho.
No matter how long you have separated.
Yes, aware no ho.
Okay.
Nti mbetumi separate 5 years. Say okay, mo separate emrano won hihye wo ho sa. So mo separate for 5 years. But it's say unya dansidi a e chese 5 years now mo separate no eno na wugina so e de atwitwa aware no mu kura tinton time. Nti wuntimi nka say because say o ye mu atete 10 years and I say 15 years nti no eno nti na aware no engu ye. Aware no da so wo ho.
Omo mienu no ba ko ntimi fetch nkoware.
No.
Okay.
Aware no ngu ye. Because aware no da so wo. Aware na ankasa de ya hihye de egu krata so no e da so wo ho. Ebia na ampase mumu atete. But mun divorce ya wo certificate a odbetimi de a kire se ampase mo sa nipa mienu yi mo divorce. Je fansa wo ya application na ebisa say okay, wo nipa wo ye married and answer wo ye obi a wo ye unmarried because sometimes no application forms we were ebisa sa. Nti wo ye married na ebisa wo ye civil partner and also say be a unmarried partner na ebisa and also say oh you separated. Okay. Into no say oh you separated yes ubetimi anka say oh you separated but divorce ye into na ware no de edaso ho.
So there's a reason why they want to be married, divorced, separated. Okay.
Yeah. Into say what ware dia then na agitum say be a aware no daso ho into na waka no sa no. Into no ye bibia oba evidence with sa marriage certificate no. But so what separate so are still aware no daso but only say enye sa aware no na wo gina so e bia e de aye obi bi. And I say oh yeah unmarried partner I know a different kettle of fish. But say opese ugina aware fufuro so e de ye bibi dia then you should have a concrete proof a say waware ba kono eno no egu. One of the requirements are ye gina so edigi ye customary marriage etum ene ye Ghana ware etum say afa nhihye we nyina mu enti no aware fufuro bi won chen a sa aware no eni ho egu kra enti no you have to evidence that say untimi nyesa then it means aware no engu
ye. Yenia Brian Morris I think that probably it's follow-up question or say my situation is that I'm living in the UK now so I don't have any card of that sort. I'm in America at the moment. say you know bisa say obey transitor then the better say we EU ni. I think that's a follow-up question. Say, I'm not living in the UK now, so I don't have any card of that sort. I'm in America. Now, America now what EU?
Well, so,
it's not clear.
Yeah, it's not very clear. I mean, it's fine. I'm running to because of what American into on to me and worry your friends saying EU ni. Bear in mind say America and can't European Union into the residence card in one I can. Omo issue be and farm out.
Okay.
Into the would dance and say what worry a one crata so. And also say EU the documents the idea would be to me a kahua would be say and pass Mary or your EU ni or free Italy and the ID card ni and I send the passport copy ni your marriage certificate no so ni din and na wo no Mary susu din na wo no nti dia dance say and pass ma worry EU ni nti no yes say o kofa sa area no ho a because o your family member no then you don't have to but on only case no very special on the airline for no and kasana omoma no you know the proper procedure.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yanko Messi. I say, what is the implication of a debt management on indefinite leave to remain application? What the want to mean and tentem anti wakohu debt management for so okay ya kano ya jinemu ya ni omo ade omo kano which an kakra no magia to me I draw plan amount say 10 years for year and no sa na sa wokoje indefinite a bit me so bi also
oh a chroma de odeka obi adeka it is odeka na wutua kanko ade then that's fine and no nya ade a esese affect you say okoje nkrata ntino odeka ntino and sese ye dem out there yeah
okay Mambo atma the answer be about you shouldn't have done that cra. Okay, I'm say nipa na all you need to have an application. Kobodo na ode aba. The Emma jumedi lawyer Emma na manage kese pa ye. Senior won wa wo hwe yen any ade will participate
they helping to follow.
The anti na so moi me frame ana mo say oh mashe no so wa sha me hu di wa Facebook for that but senti so won share ya mpacho bomodia na my tea thank you very much me do message ba na amanfo nyina hu say wabo djuma fefe kama pa nya me insure say me tia me na echi wonso wo shitremu ade emaye lawyer me wo voice note to be wa wadarema ma me hwe say ye betimi ade ato ama nyina ya tisene sitia.
Hello na me pesa me ba mu program no so kakra na ni edi kan yada lawyer ase any sister Joa ase se enen so ma ba na omo ebe boayen na omo tuyof na omo ame ni esese ye efa ye migration ho ya edi kan na mi sister oye yuni wa backroom hanumo wenya asetna wa hanumo wedi 5 years wa hanumo na ma mienu so wa hanumo munyina so aye settled wa na opese oboa me ewo sebia me nkrata asemo enti ononkwa betumi aboa me as a family anase obetimi ejina ne mano so e de aboa me oyiyu ni ntine I don't know how ebeye ejuma me ba ha as a visit ma check akra e wo kromo hanomo enti mi pisa se akwenye bi wo hono ma mi sister no ebetumi aboa me ana timi hia mafutuo
okay. Well, I'm saying by previous idea, but I'm saying to me, pajama. But what am I? Oh, hey, dear, not just say.
Yeah, I mean, you by also by a chekakra. It's in Nanka, say, in Sama Obi say, Nanka, Sama Obisano, back in 2020. Nanka yet to me a fast aquano so abuano. Because osini nua ba ene ye EU ni a otikrom ha Nti eno no de ne ko share extended family member category nim.
Okay.
Nti no na nka say before the specified date na etwem, which is 2020 31st December no. Na nka say before 11 p.m. no or ye application ekose wa backroom ha oni ni nua ba oye EU ni enete.
Okay.
Ono sa nua ba na oye EU ni no ono na eboa ehwe no eye bibia ma no. In fact, on the deadline date na ye beka say ya close sa ade no. We had about 2 extended family members we had to go the length and breadth and sit in to push through that application. And both of them were successful. Because our application na enye online. Yenim se bebre na ye be online. Ama ye refuse omo. Because na enhyehyɛ say obeye sa application no online ese so uye obi a ukuta relevant document. I think say you can once either say residence card and answer permanent residence audit kroma and sign why sa application under USS no. Nti na sa application particular one no de a paper application and na ye. Nti na nka say or yes application man ko and sana sa deadline date no. Sabre a all can say this. Sa deadline date na pa. I know say just this week here on the 13th or so Home Office for the new your friend is saying statement of your friend is saying new immigration rules at the aba. Omodi ashemu say oba kromu ha as visitor. Na obeto a family member wa ha obetimi aye application. Now yenim say enene nansia na emrana ba. Enua ba iso oba aye achekakra. Enti ema the situation no a bit difficult. A bit difficult. Unless you fuck when be so near test law no. And you test law no in a way so no pair. You better testing in a way say proud to say ye be free muno. Now you say obia an application. No or your family member or depending on ni nua ba no dada no oti kromo ha dada. Okay? No oti kromo ha dada. No oti ni nua no nchen. Na ni nua no enehwe no. And this was the case even prior to the specified date, which is a year December 2020 deadline. Na sa situation no sa na etie. It is a sign at there. Now, as far as we are concerned, no, so that time no qualified as extended family member. It is a sign at there. Then who be here say a bema no krata no achankuma. So argument no, ye ni Home Office air coaching. The likelihood is ombe refuse. So we refuse that is why the courts are there. Until you go to court and argue your case, and then say nyame ya wadoma court no beji atuma ka say in fact the lawyer for no can afi na ye ni akọ no kure no mo kan
way strategy any plan any skill ubinya no ewo BWF solicitors we can send you a text about 07950422780 and now say we send you a voice note for WhatsApp so 07950422780 we friends so 0208 1231016. And then customary in Ghana, customary marriage in Ghana, its impact on spousal visas, customary marriage in Ghana, its impact on UK immigration status. Me wo some no be ha ye babubo akwana me no so e de ma lawyer ayi ano aman na yewia na afi ye kohe en quiz no ewia na afi ya draw the curtains down. Continue na share na me recognize one so a wo hwe yen ewo Facebook and YouTube. Mo abusia ne adofo ewo Hamburg, Germany eye Ani Dion SL ane abusia for ene nyina David ane abusia for da mo se mo gather around TV na mo hwe mame if shebo ba fripon one Me doba eye fifi munya so ye chiamo ewo Ghana. Thank you very much for your support. Sanso so ena mo amwa Bawa Radio so edamo Kaisa Bawa Radio echna enyumre 7 p.m. UK time. Obe ebo playback of the program and your audio version no enkwa enti say o me say the live one so na nya amotre nya arehemu said the TBR no obetimi enya atie bio. But in the meantime you can send in your comments, your questions and we on Facebook page and also and as a YouTube page and also BWF Solicitors. And our phrase 0208123116. Kaisa enche yen questions and your quiz segment no ebeba. But my memfa we na fe yema lawyer enyi ano ede emfa maya. Well, see, good evening. Thanks for the program. My name is Ajima. My question is, I have an indefinite leave to remain. In a couple of months, I will be eligible to apply for naturalization. The problem is, before I was granted my leave to remain, I overstayed my visa for a year, and I know this will be used against me during my naturalization application. Within the period I overstayed, I was having some mental health issues and was on medication going for counseling. Can I use that as a reason why I couldn't apply earlier? Because I wasn't in the right frame of mind. I think that's what you want to say. And what time na bro so ni definitely be so okwakoje ni akoye the naturalization ni idea. What time na bro so no. The reason say sabre no na or I dream how any idea or counseling or evidence of that. Obetimi yama how much almost say enunti ena sabre no betama na bro so 1 year.
Of course, yes. Obetimi aye, and for me very reasonable. And case workers, you know, home office more discretion. Now, and near be say no, they can take them into account. No matter say, the yen can case biaba. Then I say, I friend Secretary of State versus Ali. Now, a kind about grace period. Oma your application. Oma nyeni in time. Nibisa say, so your application in time. In time no den kwa na yeka. So your application in time no say application no say ochina na ebewu a and I say we leave ne be expire. E be e na yeka say why your application and I say ochina due na ewu no ochina no kwa no why your application no ema no ko. That means say why your application in time. So we in time sa dia na emra no ba ho ban we leave no aba be a stunt under section 3C. Na say the now what that no etwaso sa kopim say home office for ebeye decision. Rasa you refuse application emra no ma ho kwan bibi e no grace period. So within that time no ubetimi aye an application for. It is why your application no within that time na the case hereby can say so why your application no na refuse no sa akoye foforo. So grace period na e de ma no and no says that time na u leave no a stand. It doesn't lift or application now outside the time no e manim be application na no in time. Inti no uhwemu dia na chese you refuse wa be overstayer. Because bear in mind say emrano season 2016 I think November grace period na e wo ho na 28 days no o mate so e dey about 14 days. Inti as I say share no so na application na obeye no in time on train my application no en would ma de enches because I dey so kra na apa ho it only say you are in a grace period but I no as a say na o common reasons in tia o try ma epa ho yes idea na ade ehia say say oye no in time say be ya ekwa enkofa oha bia emrel na dodo na afi say home office obetimi aye no 28 days ko ansa na waye ehun hia say obetwen say 28 days ansa na waye obetimi aye ne say ebewu November obetimi aye ne it's fine ebewu October obetimi aye ne it's fine it's say oye ansa na orefi because what the kwa anye bi kra no omo e de leave fuforo no ba say abro so e bia 1 month na 2 months bia they can top it up and no ye better since say o de be ko wa bra atwam anasa ka last minute na bia afi na o prepare ho bibi wa ese nka o de ka ho na unya na afi no ama o time na kopa ho so wo ye no ne ya ebeboa because kwa on be consider ye nua be my case okay bibi na ba enti na wantimi anye application so time no so otimi ma sa explanation no or the evidence na e kire sa no e de ka ho na osere se ampa na nka ese se meye ne saa time we ba bibi nti na mantimi anye nti mesra mo se munhu me mobo na munyusu mu discretion na mo fanye decision in my favor.
Obi for question was so but answer na me koso no me pese me okay yi na me no be edi nkomo say owo 10-year route no so na aka say bia December and obeye the application for the final 2.5 10-year route no wetwa ni nyina ye no recourse to public funds. The last 2.5 na aka no obetimi aye application say ye no recourse na free so na say akachi.
Oh, enkachi obetimi aye ne ya see ye no recourse na free so no recourse no the eboa ne say eboa ma wasetena mu ehenha o nti wo ye onibi na yabo onibiefo foto e de ato ho nti no kosere se yenyi saa tabo na eda wo so no emfiri wo so se be ya saa onibie foto na yabo ato ho no ususu ubetimi akodimu bibi kakra nti enu nti na wo ye saa application no affect wo final 2.5 no enye ne hwe the only time eya na ye problem eye wo mo a omo 5-year route no so no because omo 5-year route no so no eya na requirements bi ewo ho ese wo meet ansa na ye de wato so emu bi ye say e bi a wo ye spouse a wo meet financial requirement of 18,600 enu nti na ye de amount nti na che say wo ye application no de egina so a ye de ma no wo say ye de ma wo wi a umma meye subo emeda aban so nti se nei na wo so ho kire wo na wo koje bibi e de asa support wo de na je se wo kan ye no wo so mia na me kan me san aboa da bi eno de be ye problem so mo de be ma okra na they will move you onto the 10 years route na je se wo time no akwa problem the same thing with omo wo 5-year route parent no. And also, there are certain requirements SSO meeting. It be a maintenance. Maintenance, nature say, and yet 18,006 and you see be meet you, there be name o say, ubetimi asha wo hoso, any wabushing for an answer ubia or dependent on you biano, ubetimi asha wo mo, juma o ye nisika wunyano, a betimi asha sa for. Nti why yes, I name no edeko, na ye jinaso, aswitch you, and answer ye what 5-year route no so. See, I do so na chine bi wo sa akose yenyi no recourse no free so there na chese wa mu no ohunso nti se sa na tie dia na chese wo meet requirement no se you do reverse back to 10-year route no yes sir e be ma wo kwan no asa akoye tententen nti se be ye na wo ye okay se obetimi abre omogya ni na kakra wo de atwa 5 na then wo be ye okay unya we indefinite na indefinite no allow Emma Uji benefit bia emrano ma wo kwan ene wo local authority no emma wo kwan se utimeji to send ye British ni ebetimi age ne pepepe nti sa na no tie but the over 10-year route we no so no de ono no be okay so obetimi a year free so
okay yeah in near Brian say my situation that I don't live in the UK but in America but so I don't have that SS card to prove that I'm married to an EU member so how do I prove in this case, to be able to transit through Europe? I'm saying, Brian, hey, America, well, that's very good. But in the meantime, you share the program. Okay.
Yeah, I think that Brian Morris, I think say twice or so. The can say America, how no one? America, EU, part of EU. Into no America for na nkasa no into me emma sa residence card ya ken nti so mo ntimi ma residence card then a day na wo betimi e de a kire ekro na wo ko transit wo so no say uyo obi a uye EU ni ebusuani na ma kire Brian say number 1 wo marriage certificate I kire say wa ware obi a oye EU ni number 2 wo sa oyire no anase wukunu no wo na ID nti ukuta na passport e bia na ye copy because untimi fa the passport nankasa entu kwan but wo copy ho Ebi a won ID copy ho. I just say oyiri oye obi a of Germany, of France, of Italy. Into oye EU ni. So EU now the account. Na di adanse say on the marriage certificate oyiri ni. Also passport just say ampa say your friend Brian Morrison. Oye de Mary Akusia Menu. Oye Italian. Mawari. Uko krom. Nti u befa oyiri krom na wako krom. That's absolutely fine. Bibia ni wa esu kwansa. But in American UK for there no. So ukuta card no residence card na then emaumo edi adanse se ampa se uye obi a uye EU ni ya mau card ya jiwa tum se uye EU ni. Nti u fa ho akwa then that's fine. In onono case no onisa residence card no because America you issue sa EU residence card no ebi wo hodo. Until the obetimi dey actually the marriage certificate. However, it is best so obe check it with airline no na watchre wo the situation say this is my situation. Ma worry EU ni nti nka emra no ma me ho kwan e ma me betwam e wa ha e de ko micro because me yire EU ni sa pepepe na me metena ha me ye hwe wa ha me twam keke na akọ. Yes, be possible say on be man ho kwan ama na twam a enhia so be kwa akọje a transit visa and so on.
Okay. More demo questions say for back door. Me share di nyina. Yemfa we na fe yemhwe say at the end be kwa kopie yem quiz segment no so. Thanks for the program. I have an indefinite leave to remain and I was wondering if it was possible to bring my mother into the UK to come and live with me. Indefinite leave to remain. Obetumi akofane ma me so be ne recha.
Ebedi. So okofa oledi pass sebe oledi wa hoden bibia ni ho a sebe ewo oledi abra bomu a enu ntinu yentimi hwe wo Ghana na okofa ne se sa se ombra de ebeyedi ntinu it's next to impossible
We audio. Great explanation from one of our dexterous young lawyers, Nana Buchiede. Kay, welcome back. We missed you, Manya. Was excellent, though. So, I'm going to be
I mean, if your friend say the Ogboro himself, you know, so obi a dexterous, you know, that's a lot, and I'm really humble.
Yes, football now. Yeah, I'm dexterous. Letter right.
Exactly. We are nimble footer. You know, it will be our nimble footer. No, dear. Not sure. Baby, I wouldn't be out to me. Go to me pass. To me be. So you know, I'm really very humbled and a senior partner. Or no, na nememu and a yeti. In church now or their church, you know, we're grateful, sir. You know, at least. Odia dancers say a shene ni monyam because the eye ni nyina no ni monyam hye no ekonyame na bisuso ekono because ono na namomu na ye tietia manso a ni home office atwi nyina no ono na eja oboa kakrakra e ma ye no mo twesa ma
but they all can on chantro say opa yenye polls see ani okay Brian, thank you very much. Yes, I've shared. Thank you, Brian. We do it every Saturday between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Minimse ebeye round about 1 o'clock thereabout moment time, depending on where you are, East Coast or whatever. Oheneba Kinsley watching you live from Ghana.
Wow.
Oheneba Yami Insurance. Thank you very much. Brian is also complimenting you to say thank you very much. I now understand. You Esther Achampong watching you live from Vienna, Austria. Thank you very much. And text no afi and then I'm home our number 225 if you could call again I think we missed your call. I got married to a guy. We had a marriage certificate which I used my European document as an EU or EEA national living in the UK. He got a staying permit from me and which he was giving limited for some months. But we got divorced before his residency card expired and asked our family members to represent us in Ghana. And they issued the certificate, which I gave him his copy. My question is, he went behind my back and renewed his permit without me while we have divorced. please, what should I do? Because I'm going to send my new marriage to the Home Office. Is it advisable since he did that? And what should I do? But your friend, hold on, mommy.
Yo, Oreku, se usuma brewa.
The okoshe the nkemfa ho.
Emfa ho. Nti ye nua bai, wasuma brewa. Baby a ye nua bai ma no kohwe ye no, emfa no ho. But anya no na obisa, nti ye nyi ne question na no. Nti no, ono adi kan di adanse dada se aware no eni ho. Amoma ye divorce, agi divorce certificate e di aka ho. Ye will be wo ye mra no mu a ye friend retention of rights. Nti se wo ware obi se ne na ye chichi mu a little while ago no. Wo ware obi na munni ho bie mu a EU mra mu no. Akwanja wo ho se aware na agu no. Ubetimi agina saa aware no so. Na wo de akọ home office se home office ensa ma wo asetena foforo. Because aware na wo gina so no agu. Se saa na tie dia home office eba ma wo foforo. Na odi atena kromu ha se aware no agu ampa na wo certificate na would betimi di akire se aware no agu nti atin se ye nua ba case sa pepepe na tie wa ware ama aware no agu wie ye no ye nua ba ma no akwakoye another application e a retaining a right. Bear in mind say requirements wo ho a wo retaining a right nti enye se wo retaining no sa akwa sa keke nti se ye nua ba yi nanka ono ye nua ba men o ma ware emfie miensa o ma tena kromu a afe baako se awarefo e na aware jai no de aba ye nua ba ma no beko na wakwa akoye another application opa ye be sa ma no 5 years and 5 years no enso ya ye be sa ma no 5 years na o de retaining the right ogina sa 5 years no so na okan e bia 2 years e de ka de nanka wadi dada no so na ebeye 5 a on train masa 5 years no betimi akompo no akwakoje ne settled status na ye nua ba yi bisa se sisi a wahia ne dofo foforo a opese ono susu oye bibi ma no eno no ebe affect na no affect no because aware baako na odi kan ware no sa ware no egu eni obium o wa dansidi a kire se sa ware no egu nti se nei na wakọ foforo na sa nipa kro no susu no oye bibi ama na de hia ne se number 1 obekire bibi edi adanse se na ware baako no egu eni hobim nti divorce certificate ewo ehun hia ansa na wakire se enu gu ye na chi no wasa form another relationship nti nikunu fufuro ni bear in mind say sa new relationship ya wa form yi na on form ye dada and your friend ansa na 2020 no ba betwam sa deadline date no dia na application bi a okoye bia no okoye no on the basis e bia or ye no leave to remain na waba be fa ye immigration rules na se onkoye no se EU ni ebusuani nti eno ni ade a esese ohye no nso na omane woni trip.
Okay. So na me kan kan ye wo ye nua bi e wo ahoma no so a so mama na gina so for a while. Nti mama nko na afi ye nkopeja eno emra. Minia, good evening.
Good evening, Pacho. Mcheti for ni muhina.
Yeah, Joe. So, Pacho, answer no me ha drink kakra. Wa share me program na me.
Oh, my share pa. Me was na me present like.
We didn't cry enya hwe but share na we share na here me.
My share.
Aha.
Cause from the last week no cry me frey na me de medwuma bi baba say ni gusu ya hoboa. Na me church mu say me disabilities. Lawyer can say be na at the same time I call apply for university and I'm my family no mo say apply student loan amame and patcho say musa say me course me 4 years me nursing because of time divinity no na fees near 37,000 ma apply na person musa say be affecting person ko family kunuba before at the same time me part time na me no disability yes ma me nyejuma kwa ba go fi na my board na me area course me part time in this case na ma ware na mpese me kunuba na be affected ne banana
Yo menua ba enye osuku na o kono ene rehwe okunu no ba o ba no titi a de hwe eye wo system mu se ote ha oje eye benefit bia emra no ma ho kwan se oje sa benefit na ene obetimi ade wukunu aba ntino ebia ye kan oje disability living allowance and say oje eye PIP ene sa allowance ne bi eno mu no nyina no emra no ma ho kwan ma utumi ede kofa ukunuba the tie ne say because meet sa 18,006 no instead senka oba ye de ne beto 5 years route spousal visa no so no ye de ne beto 10 years route no so but enye usuku no ene ye de hwe wadwuma kakra na awo ye no ene usa disability allowance na awo gi no eno ene ye de ka bom ne ahwe se esese ye ma wukunu no krata na ode ba hanum na ode be supporto se school na wo ko dia fine oni school ne enhihye edu se wo betua sa cost no a da ho na eno no wo akatua mu ne yete afri enye eno no mfa ye nua be ma na obeba no ho nua ba.
Okay. Okay. But I mean GPP I made a capability for work and related activities no. And then I'm making.
Yes. Nti no mo no nyina no beboa o ma watimi aye application o de wadwuma kakra na o ye no e de support a beboa o ma watimi aye application ama ye nua be ma na ono so aba be kan sa no waboa ma adwuma no kura matimi aye ni ye.
Oh, okay, me that's it.
Then na se me
say that's it. Enti you hear him next week so you be hwe say you know e be sign a share awoso abusia and me beda me hona fi yakofa yen quiz no ade aba because they say there me no akasa bia but ma me hwe say me so wadwene hwe na metimi amia kakra nka ebe boa me enti ma me nkọ na fi me mfa me quiz no emra emeto wanim hwe o makwa masem no enie Abena Queen or divorced through their families under customary law in Ghana and registered the divorce at the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly Registry. At all times, Abena and Bequeen remained habitually resident in London. Bequeen later died without leaving a will. His children from previous relationships asked Abena to leave their former matrimonial home because Abena and Bequeen were divorced at the time of his death. That is what they claim. Abena challenged the application, asking the court to decide that although they were divorced in Ghana, the divorce was not valid in England. Kain komono, yamede eba sorry, me templates na me de eba o han limpe marriage okay I can say when you na me the baby so asem ntimi di bisa asem na ba. What will be the likely outcome of Abena's application? Number 1, divorce will not be valid in England because Abena and Bequeen were habitually resident in England. Number 2, divorce is valid in England because Ghanaian law recognizes customary law divorce and it must be recognized by the English courts. Number 3, their divorce is valid in England because it was registered at KMA in Ghana. And unti idea yebeji aware no eguye no atum anase none of the above. Me see questions in this view. What will be the likely outcome of Abena's application? Divorce will not be valid in England because Abena and Bequeen were habitually resident in England. Divorce is valid in England because Ghanaian law recognizes customary law divorce and it must be recognized by the English courts. Their divorce is valid in England because it was registered at KMA in Ghana. So the English courts will recognize it. Mami chem kakra. Abena ne Bequeen eje awade. Omo edema abusua no wo Ghana. Se omo nko KMA registry, Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly and Authority. se yinkugu awade no ho at all times saa mbre nim nyina mu abena ne be queen na omote London bamu wo be fa be queen wabra na onye nsamanse bia onye will Nema from the previous relationship e catch abena say on too free e fear omotimo e wo ha because abena ne be queen na omagya wade at the time we no abena said that any of the court or challenging the application asking the court to decide and say although na omagya wade wo Ghana sa divorce na omo ye wo Ghana no enye valid e wo England Inti wuntimi nkase na wari fie otimu wo England hano untum frimu na no na yebisa say what will be the likely outcome of abena application or did kai divorce no would not be valid in England because abena ne be queen no mo te England ha ena wade no so mokogu even though makogu no wo court e wo Ghana no enye valid. Divorce is valid in England because Ghanaian law recognizes customary law divorce and must be recognized by the English court. Say you go to court ewa Ghana, UK court, and say England court, ewa so omo jitu. The Tosunian was say, omo divorce no is valid in England because it was registered at KMA in Ghana, so the English courts will recognize it. And you know, moi, unko kwadwo unko ata ugina pronechi na so him no none of the above monsomo de no ewo ho. Now let me get your answers. Upa between a free 0795042278 and now say obe sending a day akọ yen platform no so a Facebook and answer YouTube anti ubetimi ade akoho ade amaye ansana no meba mo answers no meba aba J na fi mahe dada mamen koso na men ko hese answers ni bi free sro ba okay na ya oberima say number 1 sans so na well Evelyn o adia na me de ebeba nana hima say number 2. Okay, Rebecca Amwako, SANA number 2. Okay, Patrick Hoffman say number 1. NRV Yawa Evans Kwame Isel. Evans say answer is number 2. Okay, kakra na but yeah, kwambwating or say okay. Kwame, mami hold on to wadi na me quiz na enye. La. Menya number 1, number 2. Omo me who say obi akọ number 3. Alex is saying, Alex, I say the divorce would not be recognized in the UK because they were habitually living in the UK. So the answer is number 1. Lawyer, yako adwana yankota.
Right, okay. So I'm saying you di hum komo ewo ha and you know most of the time no you di hum komo sia na ye pese ye twe wadwene ekosi bibi so sebe ya obehu echi no ba bia ye di nkomo no ekwa akosie enti ye nua bae ni ye nua ba mai. So wohwe mu a UK ha na nkaye omu fie. Nti Ghana na omako na bibi nti omu jai aware. Aware na omu jai no. because say UK ha na ehu se omoti ni ntu no UK mran se ha na mote na akoba se mu gya aware na mu ku gya aware no wo Ghana dia then the only way mu betimi agya sa aware no se esese mu gya aware no wo Ghana nti 1 year preceding se mu ku gya aware no na yenim se ekrum ha na mote na makọ Ghana nti se sa na tie dia ye mra no a ya hyehyɛ dia to wa ma ye Family Law Act 86 no e kire se sa aware no kogu na esese ye court aware a court atenase na afanu obia akobo no nkuro na court no ahwɛ nkurobo no so no aka se okay ampase aware no eni ho a egu a kyese ye wo hwia enyi na kyese is broken down irretrievably into no sa na tie dia na court no e the stamp no e de esiso se eno no de wo de ba UK force ye bagye atom into na kyese se sa na tie so dia na ye question ya ye bi say na eho answer no ebekwa akoye number 1 tina kyese aware no ankasa na yakwa akogu nu keke the solution no ye de ba ha ye njintum ti ye nua ba no ebetimi afamra kwa so na oni ebusua no atwe tenten pa
nti na ye answer no eye number 1
yes
example ene mo amoka number 1 no Mocho nti mi pagya answer na meto so emfa mama preko na chese
me advocate so mama o kan se omunya ombenya tofu bia na bibisa nti no
okay
nti no
mami me bawo
mami mesra your office ni tie
thank you woni lawyer for na mama rekra nti mesra mo
tofu no mesra your office
oba officer ya de tofu bibiri aba omo kan number 1 no modoso nti we Alexo say what's the number 1 okay but even so the number 1 they can buy answer Patrick is say Patrick we will namesake nti omo we twapreko and also so number 1 nti number 1 for no mama mente mon kan na afi yemfa enkaya no
anase number 1 for no mo kan number 2 nyina omo asase so ma dwen omo te tofu no nti no do
na the number 1 na start
number 1 na start ba any problem it's no office there so munim say enye irakwa
Louis Asante we hwan yemi ebo ansa na odo there ba
you know office enye irakwa omo ba omo mesra yi
Louis I have a say me hu say wo yi na ye wo Angela Domaruna you are we message no entiase papa o actually Greek me okay anyway I'm saying for and say your day ebesi na mema lawyer ho kwan na afi de ene ode ma ye no wabone tofa sima baako de amame ansa na ma sorry na me de asedan so de ama wo beboy nti lawyer ene bia na obi afi na waba then na wo be kire ne
yo reku me da wase bebre wo adagea onya de amaye nti ni ti atwam no de na ye ka ho asem eye oman Ghana ye customary marriage anase aware na ye friend efie aware no de abusua mienu tenase wo fie na ye je aware no tum no ye nyina enim se sa aware no uye wie a emra na e wo Ghana no enhyew se ko register sa aware no na emom se UK immigration ti especially EU immigration ti na ehun be kwa ko hia se o register then ubetimi akwa register aware no emfa ho se o ware 2019 emfa ho se o ware 2020 emfa ho se o ware 2001 se o koye sa registration na adana wo de ware ye no eno na ye hwe nti de ye hwa ne se saada no se yemfa ne se EU na wugina so de aba de ye hwe ne se adana wo de ware ye no saada no eba ye ansana ye bedi December 31st 2020 11 pm amana twam se sa na tie dia na afei na nei wo koye aware no ho registration na wo de akoje eye visa as EU family member na wo de aba UK a emra no ma wo ho kwan e ma wotimi yesa enti se why application e de akọ home office na o ware 2019 na ene na wakoye registration no now the marriage certificate ne kan de ko na home office a refusal application no say before ansana ye ba be twamutin ton time na ya ka se obi anya na application 31st December 2020 na won ware ya misro enye nokre eyemfomso emra no ema ho kwan se waye waware na wi a ebre bia a wope bia no obetimi asan register sa ware no ene na wope na wa register ware no emra no ma ho kwan se ugina sa ware no so na odiye application na wo free Ghana na wo ba bear in mind say enye won ko ampo nso na ebeso wo so sa aware no ebetimi aso wo ba so ebetumi aso wo maame so na ebetumi aso wo papa so because ema ho kwan ema betumi ema saafo no nyina aba UK aba be council because na waware dada no nti eno na ye hwe ne ne na ye wo case laws be brady adanse ye wo UK mra eno susu di adanse se ye gisa eye aware no nhihye no tum saa susu na home office for guidance 2019 May omode bae no ni nyina no makushi di ahyem se proximary ye gitum se oman na aware no course wo so no se so oman ni gitum na aware no fa oman no mra nhihye kwan so dia ene ebedu yike a yeso ye begye atum de omu bu omoni agusu sesei anase e kamia koye se ompese omufa koti kwan so na omode bibi batabata ho a yenti ase yese ode sa certificate no kwa omo se waware no o register no 2021 eninti no onye a family member of an EEA national yese omo ye wrong ye challenge wo omo o wo sa tibia no ma tutumrika na bra office na yenhwe wasetena mu na yenko saa entokwa no mawo na yenje wo krata no emfama na tumi bra krom ha ebetimi ama nkwala na ba ebetimi ama awofo no soso aba enti eno ho nkomo na ye di ne tietefo enhye no nso se waware dada e de ato ho a waware no enei uko register still ubetimi agina so e de aba UK as a family member eno ne ade a esesa wo hye no nso don't worry about registration date no eno no de enka ho eda na wo de ware ye poten no eno na ye hwe wo hwe wo marriage certificate white no so a obehu se saada no ya tro wo so se ya ntro wo so se January 2021 kwa dia na ya tro so December 2021 before ansana deadline okra na then we okay ubetimi agina so na ode waware na aba UK ene ya ye kase nti etiefo enhye no nso na wo saati bia nim a ubetimi apinchen na yetimi aboa wo emra kwan so sene emra no eka no pepepe yeah
wotene seya na ahotoso ewum wotene seya na enidaso ewo ho wotene seya na wonim se nipa wode emfra enkra no ana se ensem no ema wo no wonimde na afei nsoso wo suahuna wobetimi ede aboa nti twawani nefa ehwe BWF solicitors omo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo North London Seven Sisters UK ha wobetimi afre 0208 493-7340 0208-493-7340 and that's 077-127-61884 and jumedi ebedi ye menua lawyer Patrick and ebedi Patrick na BWF ya fa PWF ko fa Patrick fufobia ma ko we no ma wrong information and men kan chem se kwaku na ye see friend Patrick we BWF solicitors. Main fadi fufrobia and so. Lawyer Patrick BWF solicitors. Na bo dwenyin fefe same dey. En kofa Patrick fufrobia e be kofa problem bro. Uban sa o frame ya mfi. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Lawyer Patrick, I mean in show da CP say and wenya me ho adagye pa. I will say me kope kwenkwen mu oni kwenkwen.
Oh yeah. So go boy, you know.
Azem kope kwenkwen bi na yetra setos edide. Abusia na yedu ebesie meda se wonya me ho abotre wonya me ho adagye. Bibi koyi a yemfa aseda ema enyina ye ho. Bibi ankoyi a we take it upon ourselves and we'll correct it the next time. So keep talking the law, keep keeping the community safe. And of course, I invite you to join us again, same time next week on the same set of platforms. Near live, it will be WF Solicitors Facebook page. Near live, it will be WF Solicitors YouTube page. Sounds so and live or Abawa Radio so UK and PAM TV so. During the week, we'll be bringing you the English highlights of what we discussed this afternoon, and you have it. And again, our links and the footage will be live on and kept on our platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and LinkedIn pages. Links so when to me and her live show now, go back and equip yourself with the knowledge and experience we have shared. Your friend will recoup Paul. I said that Nkoma Obibia, Nyame Adoma, you best sign Asia award so same time next week. Na yede another edition of the community and the law at the Ebebro. Na ebanasa the meka and say omodian say obekwa akohwehwe obi no abona mane say program no adru ho eno nti yemra ne nyina yemeche nwumdie no senia say na efata. Nyame sure we'll be again with you same time next week.
Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Everybody say, how can I express
my gratitude
for all the many things?
all the many things you've done for me?
Words are not enough, yeah.
Enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are my everything.
You're my everything.
How can I express my gratitude
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things?
all the